everyone to today's workshop on design easy to follow presentation slide with AI support approach. We would also like to take a moment to thank the Learning and Student Success Unit at the University of Ottawa Library for supporting this workshop. They play a crucial role in helping students succeed academically, and today's session is a testament to their commitment. We will explore how to leverage AI tools and design principles to create presentation slides that are easy to follow, clear, and engaging and effective. Let's get started. We would like to highlight the University of Ottawa's position on the use of artificial intelligence (AI) in our courses. First, is it important to note that whether and how AI is integrated into a course is entirely at the discretion of the professor. This allows for flexibility, ensuring that each course can be tailored to its specific needs and objectives. Second, if AI tools are permitted in a course, it is crucial to clearly define the context in which they can be used, particularly in evaluations. This clarity ensures that all students have a shared understanding of what is expected and permissible. Finally, we are actively engaged in the innovation use of AI when it has the potential to enhance the learning experience. For more detailed information on this topic, including guidelines and expectations, we recommend visiting the University of Ottawa Academic Integrity page at the link provided on this slide. Now let's go over to the agenda to give you a sense of what we will be covering. First, we will start by analyzing some presentation slide examples to identify what works well and what could be improved. Next, we will move on to understanding fundamental design principles that are essential for creating easy to follow slides. After that, we will discuss the AI support approach, exploring how AI tool can assist in the design process. Finally, we will wrap up with a rapid design exercise where you will have opportunity to apply this concept and create your own slices. Let's get started with the first item on the agenda. We will analyze some presentation slide examples. Our goal here is to understand how this slide communicate their message to evaluate their effectiveness. As we go through them, remember there is no right or wrong answer here. Our aim is to develop a critical eye and understand the different approach to slide design. By analyzing these examples, we can identify what works well, what could be improved, which will help us create more effective slides in our own presentation. Let's dive into the example and start analyzing them together. Example 1. Example 2. Example 3. Example 4. Example 5. Now then that we have analyzed some slide example, let's explore some fundamental design principles that will help us create more easy to follow presentations. The first principle is simplicity. Aim to keep your slide clean and unclustered. Use minimum text and visual to avoid overwhelming your audience. A slide could convey a single idea or point clearly. Next, focus on consistency. Maintain a uniform design theme throughout your presentation. This includes using the same font style, colors, layout formats on each slide. Consistent design helps create a cohesive and professional look and ensure that your audience can follow along without distraction. Visually hierarchy is about organizing your content in a logical sequence. Use size and color to emphasize important points and guide the audience attention to key information. Bullet point and number lists are great tools to break up text and make information more digestible. Accessibility is crucial for ensuring that everyone in your audience can read your slides. Use large, clear font and high contrast colors to make sure your slides are clear, easy readable from a distance. This consideration helps in accommodating diverse audience needs. Finally, engagement is key. Incorporate relevant visuals such as images, diagrams, and charts to enhance understanding and maintain interest. Visual elements can help illustrate complex ideas to keep your audience engaged throughout your presentation. By applying this principle, you can create slides that are not only visually appealing but also effective in communicating your message. Let's put this principle into practice as we move forward in our workshop. Moving on, let's discuss how AI can support us in design process. One such tool is Canvas, which you might be familiar with. Canvas is a versatile AI-powered tool that simplifies the design process. It provides a range of templates and design elements that make it easy to create professional-looking slides, even you don't have extensive design expert. Let's take a look at another powerful AI tool, Microsoft PowerPoint Designer feature. The Designer feature in PowerPoint uses AI to enhance your slide design. Using AI features like PowerPoint Designer can simplify the design process and improve the overall quality of your presentations. As you work on your own slide, consider leveraging this AI tool to enhance your design and ensure your content is presented in the best possible way. Now is the time for engaging and practical exercise to put our design principle into action. For this rapid design exercise, you will be creating two presentation slides about the University of Ottawa's libraries, borrow and access information. You can find the necessary detail on their foreign webpage. Here what you need to do. First, design your slices. Use the design principle we have discussed. Create two slides that effectively communicate the key information about borrowing and access informed services offered by the library. Remember to focus on clarity, simplicity, consistency, and visual engagement. You have 10 minutes to complete this task, and so work efficiently and keep your design straightforward and impactful. Once you have finished designing your slide, take a photo of them with your mobile phone. This will allow you to present your designs to the group. After taking your photo, we will have each participant present their slide designs to the workshop. This is a great opportunity to share your work, receive feedback, and learn from others. This concludes our video workshop. Thank you for your attention and active participation.